Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Radar 24/7, the special session of your BRBL subject in the English medium language. So guys, today we will do the questions of limitation and the tax law because that is important one, okay. First of all, tell me, my voice is audible to all of you, right? My voice is audible and the screen is visible to all of you so that I can start my session. Right, so that I can start my session. Okay, let's start the session of limitation and tax law. So number one, today we will solve the case studies question, and I hope so you people will like this session. Okay, first of all, read this paragraph. Okay, what is this? Mr. A, right, lent 1 lakh to Mr. B on 1st January 2018 with a promissory note, okay, stating that amount is repayable after 3 years. Is that okay? So A have given to Mr. B, that is 1 lakh rupees on 1st January 2018 with a promissory note stating the amount is repayable after 3 years. So 1st January 2018 give money, okay, and within 3 years, it means it's 1st January 2021 B will pay money, okay, B will pay money, right. Mr. B failed to pay the amount on the due date, that is 1st January 2021, okay. He tried searching for it and find a police complaint but did not initiate any legal action. It means A did not initiate any legal action. He finally filed a suit for recovery of money on 1st July 2024. Is that okay? He filed a suit on first of all, see, this is the time period in which B have to give money, and the limitation for A in which he have to file the case, that is from 1st January 2021 to 1st January 2024. So guys, this is the limitation for A. This is the limitation in which, that time period in which A have to file the case, right? A have to file the case, and in this one B will pay the money. B will pay the money. Is that okay? Now he finally filed a suit on 1st January July 2024. A filed the case, I think, after limitation period. A filed the case after limitation period, class. Okay, I think the fact is clear to all of you. Now I am going to ask you question. I will ask 5 questions from this paragraph. So first of all, see, any doubt? See, that is the time period in which B have to give the money. It's okay. As we know that limitations start when the money become dues. So from 1st January 2021, the money become dues. Now for these 3 years, A have a time period in which he have to file the case. That's it. Done. Cool, class. Now first question. According to the Limitation Act, what is the time limit for filing a suit based on the promissory note? Yes, class. So according to the Limitation Act, the time limit for filing a suit based on promissory note, that is 3 years. So you have to tick mark on 3 years. That is the right answer. Is that okay? Cool. What is the last date Mr. A could legally file a suit for recovery based on promissory note? Last date A could legally file the case for recovery based on the promise. Last date to file the case. So guys, last date to file the case, that is 1st of January 2024. That is the last date to file the case. 1st January 2024. 1st January 2024. So I think that is clear. 1st January 2024. C is the right answer. First January 2024. Is that cool? Okay, this is the last date Mr. A legally filed a suit for recovery based on the promissory note. Cool class? Now the next one. If Mr. A lost the promissory note, can limitation period be extended due to that reason? If Mr. A lost the promissory note, can the limitation period be extended? Tell me. Lost. If your promissory note is lost, so that question was asked. If Mr. A lost the promissory note, can limitation period be extended due to that reason? Yes, because loss prevents filing. No, the loss of document does not affect limitation period. Yes, if he filed a complaint, only if Mr. B acknowledged the debt class. So class, for this one, the right answer is no. The loss of document does not affect this one. So B is the right answer for this question. Can limitation be extended due to the reason? No. Okay. Loss of document does not affect the limitation period. Mr. B had acknowledged the debt in writing in 15 December 2023. That's the acknowledgement. What would be the new limitation period? What would be the new limitation period? The fourth one. So class, for this one, the right answer is, that is from 15 December, 3 years from this. Because whenever the acknowledgement sign, the limitation period will be start from that day. So this is the right answer. Now, what was Mr. A's suit filed on 1st July 2024 within the limitation period? Was Mr. A's suit filed on 1st July 2024 within the limitation period? Yes, no, what? When he filed the case on 1st July 2024, it is not within the limitation, so this is the right answer. This is the right answer for this question. Cool. Done, class? Now, the next one. Case study. XYZ Private Limited, a supplier of electronics. XYZ Private Limited, a supplier of electronics, sold goods worth 5 lakh to ABC retailer on 10th February 2020. As per invoice, the payment was due within 30 days by 11th March 2020. ABC retailer failed to pay on amount and XYZ Limited sent a several reminder but take no legal action. On 1st April 2023, ABC retailer sent an email acknowledging the debt and requested more time to pay. But this company finally filed a recovery suit on 15th March 2025. I think that is exceed the limit because within 30 days you have to file the case. So from the limitation we will be start from 11th March 2020. So it's 21, 22, 23. So I think 11th March 2023, that is a limitation period in which you have to file the case. See, on 10th February 2020, within 30 days, that is 11th March 2020, the person have to pay the money. Now, the limitation will be start from 11th of March 2020 to 11th March 2022. It's 11th March 2023. Okay, that is the 3-year limitation period. Cool, class? Now, what is the limitation period for filing a suit for recovery of money under the contract of goods? Tell me, class. What is the limitation period for filing a suit for recovery of money under a contract? 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or 5 year? The right answer is 3 year is the right answer. When did the limitation period originally begin in this case? Tell me, class. When did limitation period originally begin in this case? That is so easy. So for this one, the right answer is but obvious from 11th March 2020. Okay. Without any acknowledgement, what would have been the last day to file the suit? Right now we have discussed. 11th March 2023. See? Last date, 11th March 2020. Cool. ABC retailer sent a written acknowledgement on 1st April 2003. Acknowledgement exceed limitation period. What is the effect of this on limitation period? Tell me. What is the effect of this on limitation period. So guys, after limitation period, it has no legal effect. Okay, it was sent this. Was the suit filed on 15 March within the limitation period? That's a cool question. So class, was the suit filed? This no, it is time bound. Okay. Okay, the case study, guys, that's cool case study. Okay, please read this. Mr. Arvind started a business under the name XYZ Enterprise, a proprietorship in April 2002. Initially, his business turnover was low and he did not apply for PAN card separately for the business. So first of all, you have to understand whether whether this is exact a legal entity. Initially, his business turnover was low and he did not apply for a PAN card separately for the business. And however, in financial year 2023 to 24, his turnover crossed 10 lakh and he needed to open a current bank account in the business name and file the tax return. The bank insisted on a PAN card in the name of the business. Mr. Arvind argued that since he has already a personal PAN, he does not need a separate PAN for his proprietorship. Later, the Income Tax Department also issued a notice when TDS was deducted by the client but not reflected under the PAN card. So guys, this question is basically about your PAN card. So class, for this one, what is the purpose of PAN under Indian income tax? The purpose is basically unique identification for financial tax. This one, okay. Last question, is a separate PAN required for sole proprietorship? Separate PAN required for a sole proprietorship? Yes, always. No, the owner PAN is sufficient. Yes, if turnover exceed 5 lakh. Yeah, only if employing more than 10 people. So PAN required for the sole proprietorship? The answer is no. The owner PAN is, because this do not have a separate legal entity. That's why. So this is the only reason for this question. Okay. So guys, this is all. You can see the reason here also, that the sole proprietorship is not a separate legal entity from the owner. Hence, the proprietorship PAN is used for the business purpose, including TDS, tax filing, and open bank account. Yes. See. Okay, so this is the exact answer. So guys, as we know that your exam is very near, so that's why this session is very much important. You have to apply the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount. This is your English medium batch, okay? Right now, I have not started my subject, that is BRBL, in this batch and in this batch. I will start my session from 3rd of September 2025. 3rd of September. So guys, if you want to join this batch now, you have to apply the coupon code Y391. you can please scan this telegram. This telegram is very much important, okay, because in this telegram you can ask your doubt session, okay. You can see the YT session that I always used to take in my channel, okay. Then this is your mock test. This is our CAIIB ebooks. This is your books proper. This is your CAIIB Mahapack 2.0, and this is your CAIIB Increment Mahapack. In this Mahapack, the triple validity is going on. Triple validity, okay. So guys, if you want to enroll, see, this is very much important. If you want to purchase, it's Sada 24/7. Click on this one. All courses, JAIIB, CAIIB, okay, CAIIB December. See, right now the triple validity is going on in CAIIB Increment Mahapack. So guys, in CAIIB Increment Mahapack, CAIIB Mahapack is included, plus 4 compulsory books which contain 1500 plus question of each book with solution, okay. In this Increment Mahapack, we are also giving the previous year questions. We are also giving important notes, some flashcards of the teachers, the diary, pen, etc. So this Mahapack give you a triple validity if you enroll it now by applying the coupon code Y391. That is the best one. If you click, you can see here 27 month is there. It's live classes, mock test, ebooks, recorded videos also. In recorded videos, we have covered everything. Suppose if you click on this one, I'm just giving example. Through recorded videos also you can see the session. Click on English medium, okay. It's a video courses, BRBL. See, we have covered everything, okay. We have covered everything class, see. So if you want to enroll, apply the coupon code by now, coupon code Y391. Click on apply. You can see 77% discount is there in this batch. If you want 1% more discount, you can please come here, okay. So do not forget to enroll in this batch. Thank you so much, guys.